Hey family, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, it's Queen Jodi. I have some excited news to share with you. Yeah, most of all, one shout out to one of our biggest subscribers. Yeah, I watch you from Jamaica time to when we reach Gambia, and she make sure they tell us say she have a forward our gift to it. Yeah, and so guys, when I ask me when you ever get me. When we gonna get me this? When we get see it and no. See it and no.
Oh wow.
Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering who did my new hairstyle, I forgot to check out my yeah, if you like my new hairstyle, just kinda comment below and let me know what I'm going. I can link you with my hairdresser when you come, I don't know. No problem. So guys, let's see what's in these things here. It's nice and AP.
Yeah, like a picnic basket.
Yeah. It's a sewing basket, guys.
Hey.
This is beautiful.
I know.
You know, so when I grew up, my mother used to have a singer machine.
Yeah, Singer is the best brand I heard. Yeah, this is not a sponsored video, by the way.
So I'm officially having my singer machine. Hey, let's see. How do I pull this?
Just cut it, I guess.
Just pop it. You don't have no way I can.
Nope. Huh? Me think you poppy a while ago. How did you get that part to pull? Wait. Yeah, old school.
Alright.
Yay!
Get some yarns.
Okay.
Hey, babe, I got my scissors and my tape, my jaw. Get our pin and beard thing. Wow. This is lovely.
Pin cushion.
Well, I know what is in here. You know what? I'm not going to read it until I finish putting out my sewing
You sure?
machine.
Okay.
Tuck it back right in there.
Don't tell me say you have a while with that, you know.
Should I read it first? I'm curious to know what I want inside that later.
No, we ain't read it. That is it.
On the other end,
You want help with it?
I may need. No, I have to learn to manage my machine by myself. Wow. It's more heavy duty than the one on me.
It's very heavy duty than the one that Teddy have in Jamaica.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, am I going to cry?
No, you can sew your at them. Where you wear.
Yeah, I got to get it.
Yeah, you got your tools, your Allen key. Yeah. Your, what you call it? Oh, bobbins.
Bobbin.
All kind of something.
Yeah.
Alright.
See, I've used already. Well, next time I show you how I sew with it, but not going to be turning it on to sew right now. Whoa, if you watch your man.
Yeah, nice. Shout out to the family.
Shout out to our sister.
Thank you so much.
From another mother.
Jerry Jeff.
Oh, right, so.
Tada.
I behave like some, I don't know how to use the thing, so.
Ah. A what?
That's how we have to prepare machine. Prepare things.
Okay,
now
now.
we need a table now, AP.
Yeah, I'll get that table for you. There you go.
I can get busy. No, I'm not lying. This is a start.
It's a start.
This is the start. Something new.
That's
yeah.
Cool. It's nice.
Feels so right to be here with you.
What up, Persil?
Happy.
Do you think, man, have fun?
What? I'm not here. Bobbing in there. Bobbing pencil.
Yeah.
Or bobbing case. Bobbing in there too.
Yeah. So you have multiple bobbins. Yeah.
Look up but that. No guys, this is too cute now. You see how I'm cute already? This extra cute. Like this are cuter than me. Honestly. If you think so, comment below and make me know.
My girl, what's here? Where's the letter?
Anyways, make her read my letter now. To AP and Jodi.
Talk up, come I can't hear you.
To AP and Jodi.
Oh, to me and you?
But guess what? I might give still AP. So I might give still enough. I joke, yeah, me and you give.
Yeah.
That's what I mean.
No.
What? To AP and Jodi, please see and accept these gifts of love from your spiritual sister. I too heard the call from our ancestors and acted on it. I pray that you can continue your business venture in the Gambia and beyond with your merchandise. Please go home, relax, rejuvenate, and reset your life and enjoy the beauty of the land and free your mind. You can also say the letter right before we left Jamaica, you know. If there is anything I can do for you, let me know and I will do my best to help you both. Very proud of you. Go soar like the eagles and fly high like a flock of doves. One love. Hey! Thank you, my sister. We appreciate love this. You know, it's an honor, it's a blessing. I mean, so much people have been telling us how much we have been inspiring them. You know, even sometimes when we feel like, say, boy, I'm not really do nothing extra, you know. Just have do me and thing. And man, and we're getting showers of love. Not you, Effie?
That's right.
Yeah. Much love, much love. Oh gosh. Guys, hear what? You want to see more from this sewing machine and Jodi? Just click the notification bell. Let's see it. Watch the video now and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like, share, comment, as we say. You don't know, it's Queen Jodi and beauty. Yeah? What I always say, confidence is knowing that you are what? Beautiful and in great health. Beautiful, you know, so I was some beautiful clothes.
My girl. Until next video.
Until next video.